Hi, this is a demonstration of the Google Nexus wireless power charger, its capabilities and its limitations. The unit does come with its own charger, Nexus charger, and the charging pad, which also comes with a sort of a sticky substance on the base to allow it to adhere, because there is a magnetic connection that's made when the charging begins. I'll plug this into a local charger here on the floor. Now, when I purchased this unit, I was under the impression that it might charge a Google Nexus with a case. This is my Google Nexus, and you can see that it's a fairly thin case. There's no metallic materials. It's actually a faux leather cardboard insert. And just as a demonstration, I'll put it on the unit, approximately centered where it's supposed to be. And feel for a connection. There's absolutely no magnetic connection being felt whatsoever, and the unit does not charge. So to further diagnose if there's a problem with the charger or the unit itself, I did remove the Google Nexus pad, which I've done here, and if I place the pad on, you can feel that there is a physical magnetic connection being made at this point. And if I look at the charger, it does denote on the charge pad that charging has commenced, which is good news. The bad news is we do need it with the charger. This is the case that we had, and you can see that the case is just a when we actually measured its overall diameter, including this clip here, it's approximately 4 millimeters from one side to the other, possibly even less. I did another further test with the unit itself, and that involves the use of simple paper. So these are 3 sheets of your typical paper that you'll find that you would use in any inkjet printer or photocopy machine. Fold them in half once. Fold them in half again. So folding them in half 2 times, what the micrometer makes for approximately a 1 millimeter diameter of paper. I'm going to do the same test again. I'm going to put the unit on top with the 1 millimeter of paper. Trying to find that magic spot, and there is a magic spot with 1 millimeter, and at this point the magnetic attraction is somewhat less than it was, but it's still noticeable, and there is the charger indication that's going on there. Put the unit back on. It still remains on charge. This is a 1 millimeter piece of foam rubber. You can pick up at your local craft store. If I place this 1 millimeter piece of underneath and try and find a place, and yes, it actually with 1 millimeter of rubber is working as well. If I try and do it with both now, I cannot feel any magnetic attraction. And I'm unable to achieve the charging signal again. So that's a demonstration we have for today. It just clearly shows that using approximately 2 millimeters of materials between the Google Nexus charger and a Google Nexus 7, the charging will not occur.